is not anything. You don't even know whether this light came on.
The amount of mango we've eaten in this house is alarming. Like, it's mango season in Nigeria, and mangoes everywhere.
Are you sure tomato?
Juices. I forgot to show you guys since this oil is good. Like, someone gifted us this oil. Okay, so this is the height, and it's how many liters? 4.5. Let me see. Let me focus that for you. Okay, 4.5 liters. 4.5 liters, and it says made from pure soya beans. So if you know some of those days, I mean the OGs, people that are old, not the one that they just give birth to. Triple filtered. I'm not that old. Triple filtered, and it's been working well for my son. You know, my son has allergy for, I don't even know what kind of allergy, but he's allergic to oil, dairy products. If it's not filtered like original oil, if it's not pomace olive oil, I have a video of it. I'll link it so you get the full concept of it. But so far, this one really worked. I like it. We're almost done with it. I forgot to show you guys. And it's like we're going to be buying this. It's like we're going to continue with it because it's very good. When you're frying with this thing, you will fry and fry and fry. It's not frying. Literally like slow cooking. That kind of vibes. That's what that oil does. I like it. It's very good. If it burns your food faster or if it fries faster, that means the oil is not so good. But if it fries your stuff slowly, then you know that it's a good oil. I believe so. I think. Anyway, that's what I know about it. And we have pepper and tomato. Let me show you. This is pepper and tomato. A lot of pepper and tomato. What is that? This one? Meat. Plenty meat, sharp. Okay, just let me show you guys what's going on in my house right now. It's my husband's stew. Best cooking stew. Let me pull the flash so you see this properly. Best in cooking stew. Because this stew is stewing. Let me collect this meat. This one looks juicy. Oh, there's bone inside this one. Let me collect this one. It's still bone, but a little bit of fat in it. The oil. Stew is stewing. It's so good with stew. I can't lie. I love it. So I'm having what do you call it? Rice and stew with avocado. Oh my god, it's Bye.